for the whole of the GCC. Last week, if you are knowing, Talabat.com has been sold out. But beyond all the valuations and in a deal which is just very not easy to understand the valuation, it has been sold out at 170 million US dollar. A deal of 170 million US dollar is definitely very, very encouraging to the entrepreneurs who are thinking of the future. Future is here. If you know the history and the background behind it, it has started into 2004. First, they raised the equity or sold partially around 2009 and 10 for 1.5 million KD to another and gone across the GCC. And this is a Chinese company who bought it. It is a food platform which is serving the different sectors of the food, and with Talabat fit into their idea of providing integrated food solution, and they bought it fully for 170 million US dollar. So, there is no multiples we can think of. Even if by all standards of the revenue multiple and the profit multiples, it is really a very strong deal. In 10 years, an effort of one person, this has been started with one single person. He saw the need of the market, need of the people, and he made his future, and the future for where the entrepreneurship is usually not very encouraged, or people are not talking of too much or taking the position today, he gave a direction to the entrepreneurship. A year before, in 2014, another interesting story, that is for the Souq.com. Souq.com, which has been started as a very small home-based business, shifting from Jordan to the UAE, and 15% of the stake is sold for 75 million US dollar. The company is valued at 500 million US dollar. It is said that it is one of the challenge for the Amazon, global powerhouse of Amazon. And definitely they are doing good. Today, it is really